Just wanted to take a minute to explain my setup in this video in case anyone wanted to try it themselves. I'm running a GoPro 9 Black with the media mod. It also has a windscreen on the shotgun mic. Running your standard chest mount from GoPro, and I'm using an H1N condenser mic. It's a directional condenser mic. I did not have the dead cat or windscreen installed at the time. I did not have one, so therefore I used the backpack, and I used microfiber towels to help with the vibration. So tell me what you think about the audio, and throughout this video I'll switch back and forth between the GoPro 9 and the H1N. Got pretty lucky here. No damage to the bike. Only damage was to the left hand grip. No scratches whatsoever. Look at this. This is actually going to be the first time I've taken the bike out in the trail since the unboxing video I made. If you haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But throughout this video, it's just me trying to get used to the bike. First thing that I've noticed so far is that the gears are really short and could definitely use a gear change. So enjoy the rest of the video and tell me what you think about the audio. here, just wanted to say thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, and comment below. If you haven't already, you should check out my main channel. It's called Huff and Stuff. Catch you guys later. Peace.